Hey guys, so we are throwing it way back to the 2010, 2011 era of YouTube when we used to film what's in my travel makeup bag videos. And I used to film these all the time when I would travel different places, and I literally haven't done one in like 7 years or something like that. And I asked on my Instagram story if you guys wanted to see this, and it was like 85% of people said they did. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film it for you guys. So before we get started, I just wanna remind you to push the bell notifications button. Please, please, because a lot of people are telling me that they're not seeing my videos in their subscription feeds. Some people are even saying that they've like pressed the notifications button and it's still not notifying them of my videos. So if you miss my videos a lot or you just want to be notified, please press the little button so you can be. I don't know what is wrong with YouTube. I swear YouTube's new algorithm BS is driving me crazy. It's so messed up. Don't even get me started. Anyways, so we're gonna do a what's in my travel makeup bag video, and it's so funny because Judy, it's Judy time, actually sent me along a bunch of her travel makeup bags. And I actually I wasn't even planning on doing this video for this specific reason, but these makeup bags came in and I was like, oh my gosh, this is like perfect timing. So I was really, really excited about it. So thank you, Judy, if you're watching this video. She sent me along her bag collection. And first of all, let me just say, back like 7 years ago, I used to have a makeup bag just like this one, and I loved it. I love the layout of this specific bag because it reminds me of one that I used to have that was like my favorite way to travel with makeup. And it's basically just a really, really good like organizing system where everything is clear so you can see everything that you have and you can organize it, and I absolutely love this system for traveling with makeup. It's perfect. And then she also sent me this one here, which I have my like skincare in, and then this one here that has my like medicine and stuff like that. All of these bags are so adorable. I love them so much. I feel like they all go really well together, and I just think they're really, really cute. She also sent along this really big one, which I'm actually not going to use for travel this time. This one is really pretty. It's kind of like a marbling with some like gold flux to it. So pretty. I love this one. And then this one is just like a square bag, really simple with like a zipper. Great line, really, really cool line. So thank you, Judy, for sending these along. I'm definitely gonna be using these. You guys wanna see my last makeup bag? It's so freaking dirty and gross in here, and I'm not a huge fan of these bucket ones anyways because it's hard to find things in them. You know, you can't really organize things very well in these. So I was really, really glad that I got one that is more organized. So I'm gonna show you guys what I put in my makeup bag. So for my skin products, I am bringing my beauty blender, obviously. I actually need to wash this really bad, but I'm not gonna do it right now. And then the NYX Mineral Set It Don't Fret It powder. This stuff is amazing. This is like my second tub of this, and I love it so much. This is like my new favorite powder, and this is in Claire. And I just really like this. It's really easy to use. You can use it for baking if you want, or you can just use it all over your face to set everything really quick. Great product. I love it. And it's also really cheap and cruelty-free. Next up, I'm taking two foundations. I'm doing the foundation routine that I did in my favorite drugstore foundation routine video. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to Hawaii, and when you go to Hawaii and tropical places, you tend to get a tan. And so I wanted to bring a dark foundation and a light foundation. That way I can mix my foundation depending on the color of my skin. So this will be really, really good by the end of the trip when I have a tan going on, but I can also add this lighter one if I want to make it, you know, a little bit lighter. So this is the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula, and this is Skin Perfect HD Foundation by Kokie, and they just work fantastic together. I love, love, love them together. And then I'm bringing my favorite concealer. This is the Color Correct Cushion Wonder by Hard Candy. I've talked about this a ton lately. This is like my third tube of this stuff. It is such a good product. If you haven't tried this yet, please try it. This is in the Neutralizer shade. I think they have an orange one and a yellow one and a green one. They even might have a purple one, but this is the Neutralizer, and it is perfect. The perfect color for under your eyes if you want to neutralize your under eye circles. I love it so much. And then for my primer, I've never been a huge primer person, but I'm kind of obsessed with this one right now. This is a Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur primer, and the thing I like about this is that it goes on your skin really, really smooth, but it blends your foundation out really well. Like, it makes that perfect base, and I just feel like my foundation goes on so much more smooth and buttery and just more even, if that makes sense. I don't know what it is about this because I'm not normally a primer person, but this one has like sold me. I love it so much. So I'm bringing this one. I don't really necessarily feel like it's like, oh, it's gonna make it last longer or anything like that. I just like the way that it makes my foundation apply. So that is why I'm bringing that. So for the other pocket, this is like the bronzers and blushes and all that kind of stuff. So for my bronzer, this bronzer is, like, I can't not bring this bronzer. This is made for Hawaii. I am telling you, this is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and this is in Sun-Kissed Bronzer. So the thing about this, you guys, if you've never tried this, you need to try it, because if you like the smell of pina coladas and you want something that has like that coconutty, pineapple-y scent for summer, you will die over this. It smells so good, and it's not just like a subtle smell, like it really, really smells like pina coladas. Like, I'm not even kidding. So I had to bring this because I feel like it's just made for Hawaii. I love the smell. There's not really too much shimmer in this at all, but it's extremely velvety and buttery, which is what I really love about this. And then for highlighter, I'm actually bringing Ofra's highlighter in Bali. And I really like this highlighter, but the reason I'm specifically bringing this one is because I feel like highlighters with a little bit of gold in them bring out tans so good. And it's always been like a little trick that I have. Like, whenever I have a really nice glowing tan, I love using like gold eyeshadows, gold highlighters. I put like the gold highlighter in my inner corner, and it just feels like it makes you glow and it makes your tan just pop a lot more. So that's why I brought this one, because it has that nice gold undertone, but it also has a little bit of a rose gold undertone as well. So I'm really excited to bring this, and I love Ofra highlighters. I've said that a million times, and that one is just perfect for Hawaii. And then for my blush, I'm bringing the Kokie Professional Blush Up Blush Palette in Rose Glow. This was in my favorites video. It's just the perfect neutral blush palette. It's really thin, it's really easy to travel with, and I love that it comes with multiple colors, so I can switch it up if I want. And it has this darker pink for when I get a tan. It'll show up really well on my tan skin. So, and then I have my eyelash curler here. Can't forget my eyelash curler. And then this, which is my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in chocolate. It's always what I use on my brows. It's what I have on right now. It kind of is like a brown with a subtle warm undertone. Like, it's not an ash brown. And this is for people who have warm brown hair versus ash brown hair. So I really love this. It's so perfect for my hair color. So. And then, next up, we're gonna do the big pocket, and this has all the other stuff in there. So as you saw when I lifted it up, favorite palette of all time, and it is a coincidence that this is also, it's Judy time related. Like, I didn't mean to do that, but this is my favorite palette that I own. I literally travel with this every time I go somewhere. This is the palette that I bring. She did such a good job like creating this palette. It is everything I want in a palette. It has the perfect lid colors, the perfect crease colors, the perfect colors to darken up your crease. Then it has like some reds if you want to do something different. Like, I love this palette so much. It's so well done, and it's the perfect size for travel. It's thin. It's a great palette. If you guys can still get your hands on this, please do, because I use this palette like 95% of the time. I actually have it on my eyes right now because I use it that often. So I had to bring that. I almost brought another palette, but I knew I just didn't need to because I would use this one all the time anyways, so. And then I actually put my shampoo and conditioner in this bag because I didn't have any room in my other bag, but this is Nature Queen Premium Herbal Conditioner and Premium Herbal Shampoo. I actually got this in my P.O. box from a company. And so I'm gonna try it out on vacation. Hopefully I like it. It's sulfate free, it's all natural, no added color, artificial fragrance, no harmful chemicals, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna try this. I just really like how small they are. They're just little teeny tiny bottles for travel. Plus I'm gonna use it on my girls, and Travis will probably end up using this too. So I got that, and I put it in this bag because I didn't have room in my other one. Then I have this. This is the Smashbox Primer Water. You guys know I really like this. This is my favorite setting spray because the mister is so good. It's like that fine mist. Like, I've also been using this one lately. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection Daily Defense Makeup Mist. That's like the longest name of all time. But the sprayer on this is horrible. It's like, you get like those droplets on your face, and it feels like you're literally spraying your face with like a spray bottle. You know, it's just like not a good mister. So I don't really like this one for that reason, but this mister is just phenomenal, and the smell is amazing as well. So I have that one. Now, Please don't bite my head off, you guys. I know that this is not a cruelty-free brand, but the only reason I'm bringing these is because somehow Lancome got my mailing address. I'm not sure how, to be honest, because I wouldn't have given them my mailing address because they're not cruelty-free, but somehow they got my address and they sent these to me, and the only reason I'm bringing them is because this one is waterproof and I don't have a waterproof mascara on me. Would I buy this? I would not, because I don't use products tested on animals. But because I have it, they sent it to me, I'm gonna bring it. And then this one is the same, just not waterproof. So it's those. This is the Monsieur Big Lancome Mascara. So I'm just bringing them because somehow they got into my hands. That sometimes happens with YouTubers. So next up, I have the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Black Pencil. This is a great black eyeliner. If you guys want a really, really dark black kohl liner, this one is phenomenal. And then the Eye Booster Pen by Physicians Formula for my winged eyeliner. Best eyeliner ever. For my lipstick, I have the NYX Lingerie in Bedtime Flirt because it's the best nude color. This is probably what I'm gonna wear like every day that I'm there. And then sometimes when I want this color but just a little bit darker, I will put this. This is Ofra's lipstick in Spicy. It's kind of like a dark mauve color. I'll put that on first, and then I'll put the Bedtime Flirt liquid lipstick over the top, and it gives a really nice, it's like a nude but a little bit darker than nude. So I always mix these together. It's just something that I do, I don't know. And then for my like darker lip, like if I want to go out to dinner and I want to wear a lip color that's a little bit darker, I'm bringing Ofra's liquid lipstick in Americano. You guys know that this is one of my favorites, and the reason I like this is because it's kind of like a brick red, like an orangey red, and when I go with reds I tend to go on the warmer side. I just like warm reds versus cool reds, which is weird because I like cool mauves, but I like warm reds. I don't know, but this is definitely a warmer like brick red, and I absolutely love this color so much. So I'm bringing that for like my darker lip. And then my Organic Wear Physicians Formula chapstick, which I'm probably going to wear a lot as well. I always wear chapstick when I sleep at night, so it's just like a lip balm chapsticky type of thing. And then for under my makeup, I'm just bringing the IT Secret Sauce. I'm going to be using this probably at night and in the mornings as my moisturizer, just because I really like this stuff. And there's no SPF in it, but like I said, I'm going to put my sunscreen on first, and then I'll probably put this on and then the primer on. So next up is this bag, and this is my skincare bag, and this is like the perfect size for skincare bags. I love this one, and I love the little pocket on the front that you have right here, and then you have the back pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in this big pocket. So first I have my Coconut and Papaya 24-hour deodorant. This is from Walmart, and it's all natural, which I really like about this stuff. So I'm bringing that for sure. And then some Scope, because I love myself some mouthwash. And I'm obsessed with toners and toning my skin at night. I feel like no matter how much cleanser you use, like it never fully gets off your makeup unless you're using like an exfoliating cleanser. So I always have to use a toner after I cleanse, always without fail. And so I'm bringing the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner, and this is just a nice small little travel size bottle, so I'm bringing this one, and it just works well. Just gets all my makeup off, you know, after I cleanse. I'm also bringing Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is actually almost gone, but I'm going to bring it anyways because I'll probably use it all up. And then I got this from a friend for, I think, a Christmas gift a couple years ago. This is L'Occitane hand cream. This is one of those things that like end up in your drawer and then you never end up using them because they're just like travel size and they're small. And this has been in my drawer forever, so I'm like, you know what? It's time to use these. They're not cruelty free, sadly, but I did get this as a gift from a friend, so I'm definitely gonna use that while I'm there. And then this is the Cebu Sea Berry Therapy Polishing Cleanser. Now, Cebu is a brand that like I've never used before, but I remember Michelle1218, I think is her username. She's been on YouTube forever, and she used to rave about Cebu all the time. I don't even know if she still uses Cebu, but I remember her talking about it all the time, and I was at Grocery Outlet of all places, and I saw this on the shelves, and I was like, Cebu, like I totally know that brand because of Michelle. So I decided to pick it up because she used to rave the heck out of this brand, and so that is what I'm using for my cleanser right now. And it's a nice little bottle too, it's not huge, so that's what I'm gonna use. And then I have the Pixi Skin Treats Overnight Glow Serum. I use this after my toner for like a, you know, night glow kind of moisturizer serum, whatever. I really, really like this stuff. It feels like, you know, a luxury. Like you're putting something really good on your skin, and I love skin oils. I just think they're, I don't know, they just feel so good on your skin. I love them. And then I always bring my little tester perfumes. Like, you know those little perfumes that you get in like subscription boxes? Those are things that I never use because I just use my big perfumes all the time. But I always like to bring them when I travel. And I honestly don't know what this is, what brand this is or anything. It doesn't even say on here, but it smells really good. It smells kind of like vanilla. Like vanilla-y, I don't know, it smells really good, but I'm bringing this for my perfume just because it's small and compact and I can bring it with me. And then I have this little thing of coconut oil. Hopefully this doesn't leak in my bag. I might have to wrap this up in like a plastic bag or something like that so it doesn't leak. But I obviously need my coconut oil to remove my eye makeup. You guys know my little trick. If you haven't seen that video, I will put a little card right here so you can check it out, but this is my secret sauce. Little cotton rounds so I can remove my makeup. And that is it for that pocket. I try not to overpack. Like I try not to do like face masks and eye creams and all that stuff. Like I just try to keep it pretty simple when I travel. And then for this side little skinny pocket right here, and then a hair clip for when I am washing out my hair or doing my makeup or whatever, get my bangs out of my face. Hair ties. I always need a ton of hair ties because I have 2 daughters and they use my hair ties too. So I'm bringing a crap ton of hair ties. And this, which is from the Dollar Tree, you guys, if you've never gotten one of these from the Dollar Tree, I highly recommend it because I put this in my travel makeup bag all the time. And it just comes with scissors and nail clippers and a nail file. And you literally don't realize how often you need scissors until you travel. Like I always need scissors when I travel, so this is such a good thing to have because I use these scissors in here all the time. Like it's such a handy thing. And then I have a razor. And then this, do you guys remember these? I used to rave about these all the time. You can get these at the Dollar Tree and they're little like face scrubbers. So what you do is you just get them wet in the water, you put your cleanser on here, and then you just wash your face with this little thing, and it helps get your makeup off so much better than if you just use your hands. I absolutely love these, and you can get 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and they're just fantastic. I think they're amazing. Like one of those little hidden gems from the Dollar Tree, you know? So that is my skincare and toiletries bag. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like these videos are just good for like seeing what people are really liking at the moment, because obviously you're going to pack what you like, but it's also good to see like what people's staples are, because obviously you're going to bring your absolute staples that you know that you wear if you just want your basic look, you know what I mean? So these are those products for me for the most part. I'm not going to tell you guys like what brushes I'm bringing just because I don't think you guys really care that much, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notifications button and comment below something. I don't care what, but something. I like to read your guys' comments. It's really something that all of us YouTubers love, is to read your guys' comments. So comment down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!